What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto, aka the Bonk Father. If you remember, I made videos about this coin back when it was at $1 million market cap back in the day. Self-proclaimed Bonk Father right here. So we're up 7.4% at 0.00017. Finally seeing some movement here. We've actually been consolidating for well over a year now, and consolidation is a bullish thing. It means people are willing to accumulate the coin at the same price for a lengthy period of time, and eventually all the coins at that price range dry up, and there's nowhere for the price to go but up. But the all-time high in this was 6 months ago. We're down 70.5% from that all-time high. All-time low was 2 years ago. If you would have bought 2 years ago, you would be rich. Currently available in the following markets: 21 different pages of exchanges. Everyone has Bonk on their exchange, so if you want it, you can definitely find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Bonk. All right. So here we are in Bonk. You can see what I'm saying about the sideways consolidation for multiple years. If you would have bought on December 13th of 2023, you'd be at the exact same price right now. So Bonk's pretty much just been chopping sideways since it had its parabolic move back in October 2023, which isn't a bad thing, which really isn't a bad thing. And if we draw some fibs from the high to the low right here, I don't know if I want to go to the scam wick or not. It doesn't really make it too valid, but we'll use it. From the high to the low, what we can currently see here is the main support area for Bonk is sitting at about that 1358 level, which has been historic for multiple years. You have a lot of price confluence around that area. Back here was resistance, it was support here, it was support here, resistance here. So if we do end up going lower, I would have to predict that that would be our main support area to bounce off of. I mean, during the entire time when coins were kind of moving up and going sideways and going down, Bonk was just chopping sideways, which isn't a horrible thing to see. Now, for you short-term people, if you go from the high to the low here, what we're currently looking to overtake is the 382. The 382 is at 1859. Unfortunately, indicators on the day chart aren't looking too hot. The stock RSI is almost reset, but you still have some room to go to the downside, followed by the MACD did just flip bearish. And you got the sell signal on the WTX with the RSI starting to retrace as well. So if we go all the way back to this line right here, there is a good chance that Bonk might be seeing one more pullback. And we have a nice green candle today, getting people all hyped up, but the chart's a little hot. Let's just say that on the day chart. For your long-term holders, the week chart's where it's at. The week chart is showing that Bonk is gearing up. Now, each one of these candles is a week, so obviously you're not going to see those quick up and down day price swings in this chart. But if you're a long-term investor, this is the week time frame is the one to look at. I mean, since beginning of time right here, every time we flip from bearish to bullish on the MACD, we've seen some explosive movement to the upside. And you can see we just crossed over from the bearish to the bullish here on the weekly MACD. First time ever since the MACD's been below zero here that we crossed over. So pretty curious to see what the price is going to react to that. Followed by the RSI. RSI is getting pretty high right here, but you still have the orange lagging behind the blue. So there is that possibility of us going up to that 99 range, which would ascend us higher from this point. The great thing about the weekly time frame is your RSI is reset, your WTX is also reset. So for your long-term holders, just hang in there, guys. You know, hang in there. And then you have your fib level, same thing. You have the main support here at the 134 with the possibility of Bonk going up to that 1618 level, which is absolutely insane still. That's a 350, no, 35x from where we're currently at. And then if you go up to the 1236, that's a 21x. So the possibility for gains on Bonk are absolutely there, guys. It's absolutely there. I know if you've been holding for multiple years, it really hasn't done much, but coins really only go up in the parabolic phase, especially coins like Bonk. So today, up 7%, not bad. Let's just maintain above the support area here at that 133 level, and then we'll reassess the situation as time comes. The long-term time frame is looking amazing for Bonk. On the weekly time frame, the day chart's just a little hot. So for your intraday traders, I'd be expecting some volatility to the downside most likely. But overall, the overall momentum should shift from bearish to bullish here in the long term. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.